If an inkjet cartridge is really closed, you can try to unlock it using a can of compressed air. The goal of this method is to force the ink out from the nozzles and reactivate the printhead. Take the cartridge and remove the label. Under the label there are the ventilation holes. Using a knife, enlarge one of them. The hole must be large enough to insert the straw of the spray can, but not too large. Close the other air ventilation holes. Cover the working area with a cloth or newspapers, so that any drop of inks do not stain the table. Insert the straw of the can of compressed air into the cartridge. Make a short burst of air like this. Be careful that if the cartridge is really closed, the risk is that the ink comes out from the hole. There should be some ink that is coming out from the nozzles. Clean the ink with a cloth dampened with water. Then insert the cartridge into the printer and make a print test.